glass cleaner because I have food all over my glasses and probably some tears after our last guest. Happy tears, though. Happy tears. But this is John's segment anyway. John, you're going to do Q, Ray, and J. It's a Friday.
Q, Ray, and J.
So get in there. Get in there. I'm going to clean my
This is
glasses.
from Tina ML49 on Instagram. She just wants to say thank you to both of us. We're an inspiration to her. Wow. Awesome.
Well, that's amazing.
Her question is, what is the best way to boil an egg?
Oh, cold egg, cold water. I bring the water to a boil. From the time the water boils, 3 minutes is a jammy egg, like it's still gushy in the middle. 5 minutes is kind of a medium. And 11 minutes is the hard boil, but not green. You know, it's still yellow on the inside. And I take, once it comes to a boil, I put the lid on the pot and I take it off of the burner and count the minutes after the full rolling boil.
I usually just call the diner and they deliver me my eggs, but that's what I do.
He hasn't had a diner egg in decades, like 2 decades.
We got to do the next question. This is from Robina2 on Instagram. Who is your dream co-host besides John, of course? I guess that's for you.
I don't have a dream co-host. I just like talking to actual viewers and people. That is my favorite part of this show. I think it's what makes it unique. And I love working with my husband.
Oh, thank you.
Who is your dream co-host? I know, Selma Hayek.
Maybe Dave Grohl. I think he'd be fun to...
Oh, Dave Grohl would be
hang out
awesome. And he's done co-host gigs.
Yeah, he's good at
As
that.
fill-in, he's great at that. And we both love him, and he's a musician. Okay, let's kiss on the Dave Grohl.